said, it was all a dream a couple years ago, man. And it's coming to fruition, man. The Hortons experience. You gotta get a ticket for the next event, man. Place up to come. My man Warren Horton in the building making it happen, man.
Chef Ponder, A1, make sure you reserve and book him for all of your private events.
If he ain't got me first.
Yeah, I try to keep him busy. That's my man. He keep us looking nice. Horton experience. We can't explain it, you gotta experience.
Got to, man.
Yep.